In this episode of Making measureQuick Easy, we'll show you how to use the gas furnace service and install process. Now, there is a guided workflow for this kind of project, but in order to use it, you're going to need 5 Bluetooth manometers and a Bluetooth combustion analyzer that all talk to measureQuick. If you don't have those tools, that's okay. You can also enter in all that data manually using the tools that you do have, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do now. This is the icon that you want to see in your top left corner. This is our gas furnace service and install process. Then you're going to have to tell measureQuick a little bit about your furnace, namely the efficiency, rated BTU input, the fuel type, what your input pressure should be, and what your manifold pressure should be. Now let's make sure that our smart probes are mapped correctly. In this case, we're using the field piece psychrometers for return and supply, and I also have the field piece job link manometers. These are Bluetooth manometers that do talk to measureQuick. You don't have to have them, but I suggest that becomes part of your toolkit because you're going to be reading static pressure a lot no matter what you're working on. And we're going to map them to static pressure in this case. And as always, don't forget to zero them out, first at the device and then within the probe manager inside measureQuick. Next, we're going to connect the combustion analyzer. This is the Sauermann Sika 030. It talks to measureQuick, but if you don't have a combustion analyzer that does, that's okay. You can use any combustion analyzer that you have and manually put in the data. Now, by this time, you've already done a visual inspection of the entire furnace to make sure that it's safe and that there's nothing glaring that's jumping out at you. You verify that the blower wheel is clean, that the filter is clean, that the ductwork is in good shape, and through static pressure, you verify that your airflow is somewhere in the ballpark. After calibrating the combustion analyzer outside, you're then going to insert your probe and start testing. Now, obviously, it's important to wait for steady state, which is going to take around 10 minutes. If your combustion analyzer does not connect to measureQuick, that's okay. Just hit this flame icon, and then you'll be able to enter in all the data manually. Once you're at steady state, you can start cycling through all your readings and see if there's anything abnormal. You can also press the grid button here and see everything all in one screen. I'm using a non-Bluetooth manometer to check my input gas pressure and my manifold pressure. You can do the same, or you can just remap your Bluetooth manometers. As we can see here, both the manifold pressure and the stack CO seem to be pretty normal. But the oxygen is a little bit high and the CO2 is a little bit low. Let's go ahead and adjust our manifold pressure to see if we can get those readings a little bit better. A slight increase in manifold pressure is going to bring our O2 down and our CO2 up. If measureQuick sees anything that you need to give further attention to, you can use the diagnostic button in the top right. In this case, the furnace oxygen level is still a little higher than measureQuick would like to see. But it's not a red flag, it's just a yellow caution, which means just to give it a second look before you move on. Sometimes it can just be how the furnace normally operates. The furnace is about a year old and we've already inspected the heat exchanger, so we know there's no issues there. Once you take a reading with a non-Bluetooth device and manually enter it in, it is captured. There are also cases where you can capture Bluetooth data before remapping your Bluetooth device to do something else. One final look at all of our readings and we are ready to create a report. Just follow the prompts within measureQuick to generate a report. You'll probably generate a test and report in this case, and you can share that with your customer. While using the guided workflow and all the connected tools is good, and it's probably where you want to go, you don't have to be there already in order to start using measureQuick's gas furnace service and install projects.